Ang niyo pong napapakinggan ay aking composition. Yan po ang Swarm. Gandang araw sa inyong lahat. Isa po itong podcast recorded. So, para ma-edit natin on mga unnecessary recordings na magagawa natin sa live. So, yan po ay aking original composition. So, this is your boy. Punta rin natin mga comment section yan ha. Dahil na sa comment section ha. So, ang ginagamit ko ditong application is actually a free version of BandLab. So, I'm using a web-based version of BandLab. Dito ko ni-record yung music ko. Actually, nag-subscribe ako sa premium. Pero, malapit ako mag-subscribe. Free lang. So, yan ay kinumpile ko na siya dito as one album. And that album is called Reflection of Eternal Decay. So, as you can see, meron tayo dito 6 track sa album ko. This is Warm, Vengeance in Passionate Crescendo, please. This is the lyrics was made by my recently acquired friend, my boy, Jay Leno. I forget. Anyway, is a former vocalist of a famous local band here in Cavite, the Liza Forum. So, that guy, my man, JJ, yeah. So, that guy inspired me to write some of these riffs. So, it's a creation of toxic core, ashes of vengeful, eternal decay, proclivity of sins, yeah. Right now, wala pa siyang, hindi pa siya fully developed yung mga composition niya. Pero eventually, sana mabuo na in the near future. Kasi recently, nagkainuman kami nung recent birthday ng tropa namin, and then ayun, naisipan na pinakita niya sa akin yung mga composition niya sa YouTube. So, si my boy, this one, yeah, this guy. So, he was once a former vocalist. Usually, their band plays a death metal genre. So, this one inspired by his lyrics, Crescendo and Passion. Yung mga drum track niyan, so nakuha ko lang yun sa YouTube, so nilapatan ko lang ng riffs yan. Yun. So walang copyright yan. Medyo madumi pa. Pete, no? Lupit eh. Yan yung... So, kainuman ko siya one time, so pinakita niya sa akin yung kanyang page. Dami, ang gaganda ng mga lyrics niya. Problema, wala lang kaming drummer. Yun. So, meron na kaming bassist, ako yung guitarist, and then wala na kaming drummer, siya yung vocalist. So, yun. Sana buo namin. Ito naman yung Desecration of Toxic Oil Manufacture. Medyo na-imagine ko yun parang grungy. Oh. Ayan, yung mga comments dyan sa comment section, ha. Ayan, daming nagko-comment sa baba, oh. Dito pala, saan ba? Dito, yan, dito. Malaki nga natin. Oh, doon pala. Pumunta sa baba. So, medyo grudgy yun. Tapos ito naman, Ashes of the Bench po. So, each track yan, may mga yan. Ginawan ko pa ng mga arts yan. May mga artworks yung each track yan. Tapos ito rin, ginawa ko rin ng artwork yan. May AI assistance yan, syempre. So, itong bandlam na to, yan. Puntahan nyo to, The Eternal Decay. Ito yung aking page. Eternal Decay. Yan. So, dito, inside, para siyang Facebook. Na, kung pwede kang makipag-collab sa ibang mga banda, ibang artists, yan. So, pwede ka dito mag-create and mag-compose, yan. Makita mo, dami ko ng composition dito. May emo-emo, highway, rocking blue black ship, yan. So, ngayon meron lang akong 11 pass. Ayusin nga natin, lagyan natin ng cover page. Wala pa na ako yan. Sa panahon yan, puro AI na lang. Talaga metal na metal yung page eh. So, ito yung mga natin. May mga cheesy rin ako na composing. Say goodbye, it's all pagkakaisa. Lupit kakainis eh. Yung bago lang akong gawa eh. Kaya tayo. Saan na ba yun? Meron akong bagong ginawa eh. May in-edit ako. Saan na ba yun? Wait. Library. This one. Ayan. Nilagyan ko to ng lyrics. May mga effects din yung ano, pwede kang AI generated din yung boses mo. Pwede mong gawin yun. May mga effects dito na parang nag-screamo. Kaya tayo. In-edit ko to. So, in-edit ko to. Pinabilis ko yung tempo. Parang kumakanta si Gollum eh. Ako yun eh. Ako yung nag-vocalist eh. Kainis eh, no? So, ako lang yung nag-boses dun. Pero, ako talaga yun actually, oh. Profile pic ko si Gollum. So, each time, pwede mong i-download yung track. Andyan. And then, pwede mo siyang i-edit sa studio. So, in studio, if you know some recording applications. So, eto, napakasimple lang din, as usual. So, pwede mo input yung gitara mo. Yan. Tapos, multi-tracking yan. Multi-tracking yan. Yan, di ba? Ayan. So, ito, medyo maraming technicalities na hindi ko pa masyado na ma-master tong BandLab na to. So, ito, as usual, kung familiar na mga sa mga multi-track na application pag-record yan, ganun din naman. Usually, mag-add ka lang din ng track, tapos may patch yung input equipment mo, musical instrument, and then mics. And then, yan, pwede mo nang laro-laruin yan dito. Pwede mong iset yan. Ito yung mga effects. So, pinili ko is Metal Face Melter. Yun. Ako lang yan, kumanta dyan. Imagine mo, ni-record ko lang yung voice ko sa separate track. Kinanta ko lang sa loob ng CR yan para tahimik. Tapos medyo may echo. Or pwede mo ilagay sa yung ulo mo sa kahon, tapos kung kumanta. Yan. Tapos pwede mo rin dito, ito, may lyrics yan. Actually, may lyrics yan kasi di mo maintindihan dahil metal eh. So, ayan. So, pwede ka habang umaandar yung tracks, ito, sinusundan mo yun. Pakinggan natin, ha. Lancaster of the Dark. Gathering Reels. Sinanaya siyang salansurong. Last one. Vicious, so shut up, y'all. Ano, ang haba pa niyan eh, wala. Oo. Oops. Yun, so sakit sa tenga, talas. Matalas. So, wala pa talaga akong mga technical know-how eh, masyado sa pagre-record. Tagal ko na sa music, mag-aaral ng music. Pero, as of now, ganun pa rin ang ating buhay, ganun pa rin ang level ng ating knowledge sa pagdating sa music. So, sana bago bago umabot ng 60 or 50, makabuo man lang ng album yung pinakamabigat o makatugtog sa pinakamalaking concert grounds, no? So, yan ang backlog. And then, after that, pwede mo na siyang i-publish. Yan, publish mo siya. Swarm, metal, yan, pwede mo yan publish yan. Pag i-publish mo siya, pwede mo yang ibenta. Pagka sobrang ganda talaga nung pagkaka-arrange po ng music mo, ayaw mag-exit. Exit! Don't save nga, ayoko nga mag-save eh. Ayun, lost discharge. Normals. So, ayaw niya eh. Balik na lang tayo. Open na lang natin yung bago. Bandlab. Also, pwede mo rin yang i-install dito sa cellphone mo. Yung Bandlab application yan. So, kahit ano ka rin, nagta-travel ka, traveling musician, and then you think of something, you have an idea, a riff on your mind, pwede mo siya i-record dito. So, actually, mas maganda mag-record sa cellphone kaysa sa PC. Yan. Then, cover album, yan. Pwede mo siyang ibenta. Hindi ko pa na-publish yung may lyrics kasi hindi ako natutuwa. So, mostly, puro ano pa lang to, idea, yung album na yan. And then, there are other things you can explore here. There are other artists, trending artists here you can only hear in Banda. Some of them are professional, they have all their albums here. And sometimes they also sell their albums. You can buy their albums. And you can also publish your music videos here. So if you're just an upcoming musician or aspiring musician, this tool can help you. It could help you with your career. So unlike other application, for example, Spotify has much wider channels, and you could also you could really benefit on Spotify unless if you're a really great artist, sikat na artist ka talaga. Mabilis yung market mo dun, mabilis yung return of investment. O kaso mag-invest ka talaga dun, magbabayad ka eh. Dito free. So pwede mong publish yung ano mo, kakapera ka. Diba? Imagine mo, dito ka lang sumikat. So, tapos magka-followers ka. Magaling na magaling ka na. Let's check this out. There are some artists here. So apparently my laptop could not keep up with the high processing utilization. It could not keep up with the stream and then watching videos high utilization. So videos, music. Let's see. Let's hear this one. Some weird stuff here, right? But they have great. You can also create a music. For example, song starter. Okay. For example, you want to be inspired. You don't have any more idea in your mind. You just want an inspiration to start up a music. So there's an AI here could help you. Let's see. Let's compose some music out of nothing. So let's get you inspired. Let's pick a genre. What song would you like to play? So I want a R&B-ish. Okay, let's get started. There's a lot of cool stuff here. Kids learn. Imagine you can write music out of nothing, even if you don't have any ideas, right? You can create your lyrics. Yeah, something like this, right? Let's check out other version. This one. How about this? Uh, yeah. Oh, oh. How about this one? Uh, uh. It's in F sharp major. Just too high, I think. This is D, A. Can change. How about house? That's right. Different genre. I don't feel any vibe about that song, the track. And then let's start off. Let's create. Let's use Chat GPT. Chat GPT. All right. This guy will create us some lyrics. Let's think about. Okay. Do you have any music on your mind? How many minutes do we have? Okay. So let's try. Let's create music. Okay, what song would you like to play? Make. Ah, make me a psychedelic lyrics. All right. ChatGPT will. All right, this one good. How about this one? Uh, uh. I don't want this one. Let's try this one. Let's check another one. This one. I think I like this one. Let's add it in studio. Okay, now it will bring it here. All the tracks. So load up here, and then we'll use these lyrics. Through the pain of the sky, I float a dream. It can't man and do anything. I don't know how it counts, but what the hell is happening? Things getting slow. Yeah. I think it's getting slow now. What's happening? Teka na. Oh, come on, Ramon. What's taking you too long? Eh, what happened? We'll be back shortly. Ha! Come on. Hmm. What the hell? What the hell happened to you, my friend? Song starter. Okay, this will be our lyrics. Whisper in the prison. Imagine that. House. House. I want house. Enter. Or enter a lyrics. You can also enter a lyrics here. Whisper in the prison. Yeah. Yeah. Let's copy it here. Copy. Let's go. We're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. Okay. What's happening? Taking too long to generate some fucking idea, huh? Hmm. What's taking you too long? Come on. My video cannot hold up like that. Gulo. You can also increase the tempo if you like. Good. Yeah. Edit in studio. There we go. Oh, come on. And again. We're gonna hold up another thing. I like that one. Ba't ang tagal? Tagal! Anong nangyari? Mother shit. Bilis lang ito dapat eh. Ganun. Nangyari. Nahiya. Ayun, ni-generate na eh, oh. Ba't ganun? Tingnan natin pa kung na-save sa Dropsend. Hindi na sa save. Hindi na sa save eh. O, tama yan. Nyek. So, wala. Tagal. Naubos na yung 30 minutes ko. 34 minutes na yung aking podcast. So, I think doon na lang ang tatapos yung ating podcast. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtunghay. Thank you very much for joining me on my wicked podcast. Before that, I would like to play one of my compositions. Not this one. This one. Thank you for joining my podcast. I will now gonna upload this on my YouTube page. Thank you so much.